Hi everyone, and welcome to the TriMech and Solid Solutions Global Technology Event. Over the next few minutes, we'll take a tour of the platform to help you get started. First, I want to say thank you to Dell, Nvidia, and all our other exhibitors for making this event possible. Note, you can click these banners to learn more about their offerings. When first entering the event, you'll find yourself in the lobby. Here you can navigate to some of the other key areas by using the bar at the top or clicking on the signs. You'll also find a chat window that can be opened from the right hand side. You can use this to talk with our exhibitors, solution experts, and other attendees. Join themed chat rooms by using this option or by visiting the related booth in the exhibit hall. If you'd like to ask about anything in more detail, you can also request a one-to-one chat or to start a video or voice call. To watch the event sessions, you'll need to enter the auditorium. All sessions can be revisited so you can easily catch up on what you miss, but you can only ask questions if you watch the sessions live. Once you enter an auditorium, click the screen and the agenda of sessions will appear. Note that there are 2 tracks running simultaneously. The first session of the day starts in the auditorium at 9:15, so we hope to see you there. The other main areas for the event are the exhibit hall and partner pavilion. In the expo hall you can find booths from TriMech and Solid Solutions, and the partner pavilion contains booths from our sponsors. Click a booth to visit it, and in each booth there is content for you to view. Check out the highlighted content on the booth, or browse all documents and videos below. You can add any documents to your swag bag, and at the end of the day, if you choose swag bag from the top menu, you can then send an email to yourself with all the documents you gathered. Our staff and exhibitors are all on hand to help at the various booths, so please just use this button to join the chat and ask any questions that are on your mind. Lastly, a few final bits to make you aware of. In the navigation bar at the top, you can use the Video Vault and Resources options to view and search every booth's videos and documents. We also have information about how to win our prizes in the navigation bar at the top too. If you need any help during the event, please visit the information desk where myself and members of the VFairs support team will be on hand. We hope that you find this event useful. Have a great time.